Okay, so today on Unpacked, we are going to look at a brand called Tea Forte. Now, I have not seen this. We're going to be seeing it together. We're going to share this experience together. Isn't that great? Aren't you excited? These are fancy tea bags. Extraordinary teas meet unparalleled presentation for an exceptional experience. Our boxes are as elegant as any gift solution on the market. Handcrafted luxury tea blends, design-driven accessories, and exquisite packaging come together for an experience worth savoring every day. If the inside is dusty to the extent some tea dust is normal due to the nature of the product. Okay. Let's see what she's got. This just looks like a little mailer. This looks like direct to consumer. Ordered online, I'm guessing. Little paper dunnage, little packing slip, little tea box. All right, we've got, looks to be very pretty little box here. It's a paperboard box with some foiling and some pretty flowers, a little bit of spot varnish, and yeah, I mean, it's cute. What do we have here? All the different flavors inside the lid. And something I have to open here. It looks like a couple of trays. What? This is the dust that they're talking about. It's interesting. They must have gotten a lot of complaints from consumers about this, the dust that's inside of these things. I don't know if you can see that in there, but, and so they've addressed it pretty much right out of the gate. Yeah, I mean the carton's nice. It's layered doubled over kind of everywhere just to avoid the raw edges, including here, which is kind of crazy. What do we have here? We got more folded paperboard. That is going to make me cut it open. All right, so everything is oh, there was didn't see that one. You could color this thing because it's invisible. But smells good. This is just a full shrink wrap, and this is done for preservation, I'm sure. But look at these cute little things. Aren't these adorable? All right, we've got a wire. Interesting, as the little holder in this. Oh, I kind of want to make one. Give me a second. Let me get a cup and some hot water. Strawberry hibiscus. Hibiscus. I apologize for making you wait. I have some hot water. I'm gonna be in hot water. All right, so these are these cute little pyramid-shaped boxes. The bottom opens up. The entire inside is lined with foil, so likely not recyclable. And then these guys are I don't know if these were done ultrasonically or with heat, but it's a plastic mesh that is heat sealed together on all these little edges here, these 5 sides, the bottom and this. And then they've got and a tiny hole up top. They've kind of created a little loop in this wire thing and this really cute little leaf here, but it's wire so that once this thing eventually sinks, you can kind of hook it over the cup, which is a cool little feature. I think overall it's a cool pack. Like, they've done some really nice finishes on these things. These have a texture to the outside of these packs that's kind of a canvasy, like a print canvas texture. Not really going to dissect sustainability. They're like, that's not what they were going for. They were going for premium. There are some sustainability challenges here, but I think just as far as aesthetics and this experience, they really have created this beautiful tea set, and these things don't sink. And so I don't really I don't have much to critique. I think they've done a beautiful job. The look of these, the illustration style of these is super cool, I think they are super pretty. I like the practical wire inside of this. Again, it's not going to be recyclable or anything else. No tea bags are. It's not compostable or anything because of this plastic mesh. I'm guessing it's nothing that is a compostable material, but overall, I mean, a very pretty aesthetic. Like, I think they've done a really nice job with these in the way that they're packed out, which is what they're going for. They're going for premium. So, and let's see how it tastes, shall we? Oh, pinky's out. Sorry. I mean, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I'm curious if you've ever been given something in like a really elegant package. Tell us what it is in the comments below. I'd love to get more of these just premium packs that you would consider to be premium, and and dissect them, see what made them so. In this case, just the way that they've kind of folded everything over, really taking care of the edges, the finishes on everything, these little details like the leaf on this wire. I think they've really focused on the details in this case, and well done, Tea Forte. All right, if you do have something that you want us to take a look at or check out in the future, hit us up in the comments below and let us know what you think. Would you buy beauty over sustainability? I'm curious. All right, thanks for watching Unpacked.